Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete multiple sources at once in NotebookLM. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the current process for removing sources from a notebook. Although the title mentions deleting multiple sources at once, it's important to know that in NotebookLM, sources need to be removed one at a time manually. This means you'll repeat the same short process for each source you want to delete. To begin, go to NotebookLM in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main area where your notebooks are displayed. If you have several notebooks, take a moment to identify the one that contains the sources you want to remove. Next, click on the notebook you want to work with. This will open the notebook and take you to its main workspace. Inside the notebook, look over to the left panel. This is where NotebookLM displays a list of sources that have been added to that notebook. In the left panel, find the source you want to delete. Beside that source, click the three-dot menu. This opens the options available for that individual source. At this time, this manual method is the way to remove sources. So if you need to delete several, you'll repeat these same actions for each one. After opening the three-dot menu, click Remove Source. This tells NotebookLM that you want to take that source out of the notebook. A confirmation prompt will then appear to help prevent accidental deletion. When you see the confirmation message, click Delete to confirm. Once you do that, the selected source will be removed from the notebook. If you have more sources to remove, simply go back to the left panel and repeat the same process. Open the three-dot menu for the next source, choose Remove Source, and then confirm by clicking Delete. Working carefully is helpful here, especially if some of your source names are similar. Taking an extra second to verify the correct item before confirming can save time later. That's all there is to it. By opening your notebook, locating each source in the left panel, and removing them one by one, you can clean up your NotebookLM workspace and keep only the materials you still need.